Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. When we were presenting evidence in the live stream that how Mirza Ghulam disrespected and disbelieved in the miracles of Isa alayhi salam, and it was open invitation for all Ahmadiyya clerics to come and respond. And although they were watching the stream, they were busy on the Twitter, but they did not show up. And we know their strategy. They wanted to first watch all the content so they can manufacture some response, and that's exactly what they are doing now. Now they are sitting on their channels and they are giving this impression that as though as we misquoted Mirza Ghulam and as though as they have responded to all of that. Listen, we are not going anywhere, inshallah. This topic is not going anywhere either. On the 13th of January, 7:30 p.m. UK time, you are invited to come in the live stream and you present your case there. And then let us respond to what you are saying. And then let the people decide that who is actually speaking the truth and who is trying to deceive the people. Let me say this. We invoke Allah's curse on anyone who is intentionally deceiving the people. So don't miss this very important live stream.